Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at putting a background color on your web page. Okay, in our previous videos we've looked at storyboarding, we've also looked at the basic design of an HTML web page, and we've looked at putting some text on the web page, and we've also looked at making text bigger, making it bold, and so forth. Today we're going to be looking at putting an actual background on your web page. Okay, color background. So let me switch over. Here's our page that we've been working on. Okay, for your background color, you always want to put it above the body tag. Okay, the reason for that is so that you always are going to have the background color cover your whole web page. Okay, the tag for your background color is body BG color. BG stands for background. Equals, and then in quotations you're going to put in a color code. Okay, I'm going to pull up a web page that's going to show you some different color codes. Okay, I found this web page by going to Google and just typing in HTML color codes. Okay, there probably you probably get at least 10 hits on which color codes you want to use. So for our intents and purposes, we can basically they have just a spectrum. And all we have to do is click on it, and it gives us the color code. We can copy and paste, or you can just write it down and type it in. For this, we're just going to copy it. I'm going to go back over to my page. I'm going to right-click and paste it into my code. Make sure that you close your code. Background color is one of those that you don't really have a closing tag. You just have basically one tag that identifies it as a background color. Okay, so let's save it. I'm going to go to our page and see it shows up the exact same color as the blue that we just looked at. Okay. Let's say that we wanted to change to a different color. Let's say we wanted to do kind of a reddish green or a reddish pink, something along those lines. That one looks good. Okay, so I like this one, so let's copy it just like we did before. And then all we have to do is paste it in our page. Have to save it. Okay, if you don't save it, then it's not going to record anything that you've just done. Open it back up, and there it pops up as our nice bright pink color. Okay. As I said before, background colors for web pages are not overly complicated. It's one simple code. The biggest part of putting a background color on a web page is going and finding that particular color that you're looking for, finding the correct code. Okay, this video was on putting a background color on your web page.